Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of Ugreen wireless ergonomic mouse. This is a 4000 DPI ergonomic wireless mouse that has a really great shape, a silent click and an 18th month battery life that, okay, we'll have to check since this is a really bold statement. Other than that, we have a typical connectivity with various operating systems, and we have some more information there. You can visit their site for more information, as you can see. Okay, overall this gives me a marathon mouse vibes, but we should just open this box and check it closely if this is a similar product and if it's worth this low cost asking price, a great price. That is actually the main selling point of this product here, given its specifications. Okay, we have to cut the cardboard here for opening it up. Now, I really like the presentation here. It's sliding like that. Okay, and there's another box. This gives me something like a Mac product vibe here. Okay, we can open it like that. I mean, that's really over the top packaging here, and we can slide the mouse there, and we also have the manual and another card, and this is empty. You didn't need all this cardboard here for packaging, I guess. It's really abandoned. You just have this angle to hold it in place, but that is what it is. So let's check first the documentation before we open the mouse. We have this really tiny card with recycling indications. I don't know why you needed that. You can place it on the manual we have here. Anyway, so let's open it up. It's a type of leaflet. Okay, it's opening like that. Okay, here we have various languages. This is a 5-button mouse that has a DPI switch. We have an included USB adapter. It seems quite typical, but I don't know, it gives me a really different sense, a feeling of a more premium product. Now, given its price, this shouldn't be, but here we have it. The manual is really explanatory and the product seems well documented. So let's open the mouse now and check if the product itself corresponds to its packaging. So we can unwrap it here, and here we have the mouse itself. Now, I really like the feel of it. The plastic seems really great, and the rubberized grips on both sides have a nice feel. That is a pleasant surprise. Now, at the bottom we have an on-off switch and the compartment where the battery is installed, and also the USB connector is stored. Here we have the connector. This is a typical USB 2.0 dongle that you connect to your device, and you insert here the battery, and the switch turns it on and off. Overall, this is a typical mouse. The buttons are feeling great. They are silent, they're clicking, and we have also the DPI switcher, the roller. Overall, this seems really great. Now, at the bottom we have the sensor of the mouse, up to 4000 DPI capability, and we also have some really big gliding pads that you should unwrap from their protective material here. Now, something like that. Combined with the sensor, this seems to be a really great gliding mouse. We must unwrap also the other pads. Now, it seems that there is another one to unwrap on the other side here, and it somehow feels that this has been removed. This is really smooth. I really like this one. But this here seems to have a tiny film on top of it. I guess it's really hard to remove it. Up to this point, I guess this is the only gripe I have. Perhaps that's a minor issue for you to care, and perhaps this is a great alternative for your basic mouse and better from what we are paying for some similar mice with the same specification. Now, I don't know, this seems to be the worst thing I have seen, not being able to remove the pad wrapping material. This one here, it feels really nice. This seems also smooth here, but it's not the same like the other one. I guess maybe it was worn off or something while trying to unwrap it. So here we have it. Now, okay, this is only for right-handed. This feels really great. It fits perfectly on my hand and it glides as it would be on a mousepad. So this was the unboxing of the Ugreen wireless mouse, a perfection that is ergonomic and quiet, and given its price I can totally give 2 thumbs up. Now feel free to subscribe, give us a like, ring the bell to not miss any of our new videos, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.